that good water? Uh-oh. Is that silly?
Poke your eye out.
Or Gramps' to be careful with the straw. Did you already drink all that water again? It tastes good, huh? Water will make you big and strong, too. Healthy kidneys.
Baby.
We done?
Are you ready to go play some basketball?
Good.
What? You got basketball shoes on? Are those your basketball shoes? Are those your basketball shoes? Yeah. You should be basketball.
Okay, we done? We done?
Sure. Arm is hurting. Aren't you glad it was just one? Oh, Gramps is trying to get a drink. Don't let Gramps get a drink. He took. Oops. Is Gramps getting a drink? Is Gramps getting a drink? I think Gramps don't have germs. Look at him looking at you like, what are you doing? He's sharing, wasn't he? Oh, he's cleaning up the counter. What a good boy. Good job, Truett. Good job. Yes. You're a good cleaner-upper.
Are we done?
8.
Huh?
Nice. Okay, let's go play basketball. Okay? Gramps needs a drink? Okay, he's through.